The benefits of the Employee Retention Credit, ERC, include being able to take a 70% tax credit. The credit covers up to $10,000 per employee for wages paid during each quarter of 2021. Are you aware there is a non-refundable section of the Employee Retention Tax Credit program? Keep watching. Non-refundable credit. If a credit is non-refundable, the amount cannot be used to increase the refund you receive or create tax refund that previously did not exist. It is not allowable for your refund or savings amount to exceed the amount of tax due. If a refundable credit is more than the amount of tax you owe, you will receive the difference as a refund. If the credit is non-refundable and higher than the taxes you owe, you lose the overage. With ERC, the non-refundable portion is equal to 6.4% of wages. This is the employer's portion of Social Security tax. Form 941. Following the expiration of the Employee Retention Credit, the IRS issued a revision of Form 941 in March of 2022. The employer's quarterly federal tax return still has lines for claiming tax credits. Those are for qualified leave of employees in 2021 and qualified leave wages being paid in 2022. There may be some employers who can claim the COBRA Premium Assistance Credit during the first quarter of 2022. The form no longer includes worksheets in the instructions for calculating the ERC. That credit is not eligible for 2022 wages. You can claim the ERC if you over-reported taxes on prior Form 941 filings. This is done using Form 941X. Employee Retention Credit, ERC. With the Employee Retention Credit, employers receive encouragement for maintaining workers on their payroll by receiving a wage credit. For retaining their employees, businesses suffering the impact of COVID-19 receive a refundable credit of 50% or 70% for up to $10,000 in wages paid per quarter. The credit is applied against applicable employment taxes. Employers knowing how to file for Employee Retention Credit prior to the program ending were using Form 7200. This form allows the business to claim advance payment of the credits in advance of the quarter. Credit on Form 7200 includes paid sick leave, family leave, health plan expenses, and the employer's portion of Medicare taxes. The employer must keep the records and documents supporting each employee's leave to substantiate the claim. The employer also needs to save Form 941, employer's quarterly federal tax return. The deadline for filing Form 7200 was January 31st, 2022. Help obtaining credits. Although the Employee Retention Credit Program ended on September 30th, 2021, businesses can take up to 3 years following the end of the program to request a look back at taxes paid. Startup businesses were eligible for credits through December 31st, 2021. ERC Today specializes in helping businesses determine eligibility to apply for the ERC and/or the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP. We can also assist with amending Quarterly Form 941 for ERC qualifying businesses. Contact ERC Today to get your questions answered about the Employee Retention Credit and find out how we can help your business ensure you are receiving your full credit amount. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.